Hello and welcome to Greenhouse Management Online. My name is Tara Howerton in case we haven't met. I wanted to just walk you through our course a little bit and get you started on week 1 and explain to you how labs will work for this class. So if you will log into eLearn and come to the waffle, you may not know that's what that's called, but the little 9 boxes, they're a waffle, and from that drop down menu choose our course. That will take you to the home page, and on the home page you're going to see a welcome statement that has my contact information. I do have one disclaimer about my cell phone. I have a toddler who lives with me. He's my son. And if you call me outside of office hours, there's a good chance that I may be changing a diaper, picking up goldfish, dealing with a temper tantrum. If I don't answer you right away, please leave a message with your contact information and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So to get started with this course, if you will come to course information and click on content, you will see that there are some modules on the left-hand side. Under the course information module, you will see the syllabus. That should tell you what you need to know to get started in class, and I'll let you look at that on your own time. But I really want to spend the time together looking at this week of August 24th module. In here, there's an overview, and you will see that there's a few things that are due this week by Friday at 4:00 p.m. First, you need to introduce yourself on the discussion board. If you click on this, it's actually a link that will take you to the discussion board. Or if you come under the Communications tab and click on Discussions, you will see the discussion board and you can add a new topic there. We're going to go back to that Course Information tab into our week of August 24th page. You will also see that there are some Chapter 1 questions. You will need to be able to use both that Chapter 1 questions and the information that is provided with it to answer those questions. So the reason for that here, this Floriculture Crops 2018 summary, the reason for that is that in your textbook, some of the statistics are dated, but it's the newest version that's available. So we're going to use the actual information provided by the USDA, and we're going to look at how things have changed in the past 10 years. Then for lab, everybody has to complete the worker standard protection or the worker protection standard information. That's pretty standard in the greenhouse world. What that is it's a standard that has been set forth for workers who are around pesticides, and it mandates that everyone receive training if they are going to be a worker or a handler. And so as you work through these questions, it will get you more familiar with what is required in the training. That is not due until next Friday because it is a little bit lengthy and it will take you some time. Now, for labs moving forward, there will be assignments posted that you can do without coming to campus in the online format. However, if you would rather come to the campus and work independently in our lab, we can also make arrangements for that. And if you work in the lab on campus, that would be in lieu of the lab assignments that are posted each week. So you'll have a textbook assignment that is associated with the course, and then you'll have a lab assignment. You can choose either the written version or to actually come work in our lab. If you are going to work in our lab, you can't just show up because I may not be there due to limited office hours. So you'll have to contact me and we'll set up a time that you can come and work, and that way you know exactly what you'll be doing that week. But you can email me and I'm perfectly okay with you doing that. So I wanted to just kind of give you an overview of what was happening. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to answer any of those questions for you. When it comes to navigating eLearn, under the Course Information tab, there are grades. Your grades will be posted there throughout the semester. Keep an eye on that so you know how you're progressing. Also, if you click on the Assessments tab and on Dropbox, that's where you'll find the Dropbox to post your assignments for each week. Thanks, and here's to a great semester.